Raj, काय बसलं तुला फाटलं पुढे ते कोणा मोबाईलच्या पुढे माझ्या सो मेंटेनन्स बी our topic called maintenance itself or aerial sit properly Ashford don't this naslo tu what naslo so this is the what is the preventive maintenance we see today. In the preventive maintenance, we have subtopics like maintenance, preventive maintenance, periodic inspection, then annexure 1, annexure 2, annexure 3. Means these are the schedule of maintenance. Total productivity maintenance, total productive maintenance, autonomous maintenance, routine maintenance, maintenance schedule, retrieval of data and machine manuals, preventive maintenance, then lubrication survey. So basically maintenance means what? Can anyone tell me what is the maintenance? Address? Huh? Maintenance is what? Maintenance को अपना किधर करोगे? Huh? Repairing before breakage. Okay, that is preventive maintenance. Correct. Any other example of maintenance? Servicing. Okay, good. Maintenance. How you can maintain your body? What is your maintenance of your body? Your body maintenance कित काम है समय पर? Eat proper food, okay, and one having bath regularly, proper sleep, okay, but that is by default. That is not maintenance. What you are doing, Sargwas? What is your maintenance for your body or for you remain hygienic every day, up to date about what are the things you are doing? Body exercise, correct. Okay, and Ashward, are you doing your maintenance? What are that? Viraj? Huh? आणि काय मेंटेनन्स ना तुला दिसायचं eating healthy food that they सांगले आणि gym, okay, he said no exercise. Gym are गेला पण no exercise केला running, cover, jogging, any other. Adriel, what else maintenance you are doing? See, your IP is so much. It's lana the prayer. It's general like, huh? That I said that is by default it's sleep materials. That is not maintenance. Drink very good. Drink 1 liter, 2 liters per day water. Any other? This side, huh? Eat vegetable. Okay.
COVID झाला की
What? Say properly. Whatever is. Meditation. Okay. Yoga, exercise. Okay. Any other? Okay. Not focus. You are not focusing on actual point. Body maintenance work. That you are forgetting. Very good. Actually, I am looking for that answer from anyone. It's a maintenance, no? अरे तुमके समझ क्लियर ना इधर किती जातात दो वाले कार्ड भी काढणं झालं की जातात actually I am waiting for that answer कोणाला तर ते नावाला पण listen first your body talking about maintenance of machine no we are the human body is also machine type and we need to maintain it properly. Correct? Machine कसं दाखवा जाय तसं तुमचं देवान दिली ती जे नेचर लाईफ दिला बोय ते सारखे व्यवस्थित मेंटेन करतो. खायले जेले ओके खावपा जाय जेवपा जाय इतकी जेवपा की इतली मोठी पॉट फुटती तुला बोय मेंटेन इट इज ऑल्सो युअर ड्युटी. डेली हेअर कटिंग किती करपा जाय शेविंग किती करपा जाय ब्रश करता तुम्ही ते कोणी झालं ना मला Bath is still old. What about brush? Brush you are not. For what purpose you are brushing? Oi, ये तुमको basic तेज तुमको daily routine खबर ना लगा के शिक्षा. Why you are doing daily cavity दबाना? नाला से whatever you show that the teeth that will give a bad smell. It is your maintenance job. बराबर. And the car गिरा wash करते हैं. Just follow the you are maintenance. That is also maintenance work. खाली गाड़ी oil डाले वो is not maintenance. गाड़ी repair delay किसी का delay उसको दुख doing washing no. That is a routine work of that maintenance. So तुमची body चे maintenance करते activity तो miss out करते. Because your thinking is very low only that much. Every day करता है तो take कल काम है. You are every day feel no. नाटक करता है मतलब में हाँ regularly what purpose for it? So what of the amount of maintain करते हैं मतलब में you are wearing clothes or not? किसे clothes डालते हैं हमारे ऐसे गले संदेश we have to cut it. So first you should maintain your body properly to be daily life maintain सारखं बाद त्यांना give books you have to what are the maintain book pick the job tool box दिला पाहिजे तो लॉकर दिला पाहिजे ते maintain करता पाहिजे. This is your according to your work first to work तो कसं साहब होय तसं तुझे बाकी ऍक्टिव्हिटी असतात बडे जे मॅनेजर बी असतात ते बिल व निवार असेच फेस कट आणि एजरच असं टपोरे टाइप येले असे विना जाता तुला बॅग बी घेण्यास the person who is he can make a reservation time pass I don't have school bag also books he can तो book में आता है where is your books ना दो बेटा हाँ रहेगा where is your big bag no bag आता तो morning I will here not bag I'll come so this is the way he can make out it that means थोड़ा बड़ा वाला so some bad habits try to avoid but हम आपके सांगते हैं don't feel bad but this is learning तुम्ही यो पर दोन पसंद टाकून सब नाही आपकी सांगते वाईट येणासताना learning purpose gain adapt करा हळूहळू चेंज असतो हेअर लांब डोले असे में काळ खाड काढणं be a decent थोड़ा decent आले कोणो observe you will notice that अरे आणखी सुद्धा तुम्ही बात केलं नेल कट केलं हेअर कट अदर्स आणि किती असा जे आय मिस आउट केलं यू जस्ट नेदर देन वर that is also maintenance sugar your father neither you have to wear shoes correct yeah these are the routine maintenance of your body for body checkup can family doctor maintain your mind पता है मारे because that they are just doctor and body it अलग ऐसा and precaution you get what are the precautions you are taking for your body will not get damaged then very good पण मरे reason पर्पज घामेला त्याच कपडे घाला की जर बॉडी will get start itching आणि आता these are the work in preventive maintenance prevent तुझे बॉडी किती त्रास जावपा जायना म्हणून ते preventive maintenance बरे ड्रेस घालो any other answer now in their rainy season what precautions you are taking बदल आणि rainy season की बाहेर गेले विस्पा जायना you will take umbrella no that is also raincoats and all because you get next day the body will get damaged thandi jaw blow there is some effect ब्रेकडाऊन जावप आमची एक सिस्टम आहा बॉडीची गेटिंग ब्रेकडाऊन बॉर्न आसा पडप लागले इट्स अ ब्रेकडाऊन बॉर्न आसा पडपाक जायना पूण वॉट एवर द प्रिकॉशन यू आर टेकिंग वॉट प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेंटेनन्स प्रिकॉशन यू आर टेकिंग कळलं मरे अंडरस्टँड वाय आर कंपेनिंग युअर बॉडी बिकॉज बॉडी इज लेस लाईक मशीन ओनली कळलं आता स्मोकिंग कित्याक करूं जायना वी आर टेलिंग तेव्हा आपलो पळय see who are the smoker you should take precaution now म्हणजे बॉडी प्रिकॉशन कित्याक करपाक एकदा स्मोकिंग हॅबिट जालें मायंड वील तेजेच एब्जॉर्ब करता आपल्याक केन्ना एक दम मारशे देन जायना get frustrated मागीर हळू you will start damaging your body so best precaution is please आता सोडून द्या ह्या एजीचे सोडल्यार बऱ्या पडटा नाजाल्यार लायफ टायम भर सिगरेट पाय तुम्ही सिगरेटी पिता Boys, हळूहळू तुम्ही पिवपाक लागता The cigarette will start eating your body. Same way alcohol also. एकदा अल्कोहोल घेवप बरें बियर मजे घेताय बियर घेवप फॅशन आता गेल्यार बियर जस्ट करपाक अरे ते बियर हळूहळू मध्ये जाता बियर लागना घेवया स्टार्ट टेकिंग म्हारग पडटा मागीर काजू सवा आनी हेजो माडा सवाय and that local made my that will eat your body that this आता तुम preventive maintenance of your body कशें करतले आता प्रिकॉशन